In this lesson, we will apply materials to the windows of the drawing. I will apply a glass material to the window panels that, as you can imagine, will be transparent, and an aluminum material to the window frame. So, I will double-click twice on one of the windows to enter editing mode. Next, I will go to the Materials tab of the default tray, and I will expand the Material Categories drop-down. Then I will select the Glass and Mirrors category. From the available materials, I will choose the translucent glass blue material and apply it carefully to the 3 panels of the window. I will orbit the scene a little and notice now that from the outside of the room I can see the interior. This is due to the low opacity of the material. In this example, I want the glass panels to be even more transparent, so I'll go to the Edit tab and type the number 75 in the opacity field. I also want the glass to appear less blue, so I will move the pointer closer to the white color. The material for the window panels is ready. Now let's find the aluminum material for the window frame. I'll go to the Select tab again, expand the Material Categories drop-down, and select the Metal category. From the available materials, I will select the aluminum material and apply it carefully to every surface of the frame. While applying the material, it is very likely that you will make a mistake and the material will be applied accidentally to a surface to which you didn't intend to apply it. If that happens, just click on the Undo button. After I apply the materials, I will click somewhere in the scene to exit the editing mode. Notice that even though I manually applied the materials to one of the windows, all the same materials were applied to all the other windows. This happened because these objects are components. If the windows were simply group objects, then I would have to apply the materials to each one of the windows separately. As you can imagine, this is something that would take quite some time. So, the difference between groups and components is that when you edit a component, it will affect other similar components.